how to use a hisense washing machine. This is how it looks. So if you have clothes that are not dirty and not clean, you use this one. Normal, you go there, unashika hapo pa program, unafinya 1, itakuja 1, then unakuja hapa unafinya water level yenyewe inajipeleka tu yenyewe. So hizi nguo ziko hapa ndani ni very dirty, so the very dirty ones you use the intensive. So una open up hapa ni power on and power off. So when you power on, then you go to program, you finya 01, 02 mpaka 05. There, those are intensive. Intensive means those clothes are very dirty. So delicate zile nguo like light quick, zile unataka haraka spin on nguo unataka kuweka tu uspin kutoa maji. Then intensive nimewaambia eco air dry hapo ni nguo zenye unataka tu kudry. Tab clean unataka kuosha this tab. So this is how the clothes are. This is how it's washed. Then ukifungua sana, like umekaa sana, umekawia kufunga, it will make noise, like itapiga kelele. This is a 9 kg washing machine. This is how it looks. And the maximum time for washing intensive cloth is 52 minutes, both for cleaning, rinsing, and drying it. The good thing with hisense washing machine, it dries cloth 98%. The 2% unaweka kwa jua kidogo inachapwa, then unarudisha kwa nyumba. 98% dry. Are we clear? Okay, thank you. Then again, this is where you put the soap and detergents. Soap here, the powder soap, and here you put the detergents, the conditioners here. Hapa ni pa sabuni ya unga, pa sabuni ya maji. Then you close like this. Then this is how it looks. Juu nimefungua, it stops. Nikifunga hivi, then it continues. This is the goodness of this machine. This is the, so you see now, this is the inlet, maji inlet, then outlet.